All right, how you guys doing today? So let's talk about how you can make money online with free promotions, okay? Now, I get the problem. A lot of people out there, they are getting frustrated. They are not making sales and they are like, what's going on, right? Are the customers finished? What's happening? Look, let me tell you something. I also have those feelings, even though I've been promoting for a very long time. Sometimes you go days and nobody's buying anything from you. That is part of the, how do you put it right now? That's part of the challenges of being online. Because you cannot actually predict who's going to buy or who's not going to buy. A lot of people just feel somebody must buy something, right? But sometimes they are fishing, sometimes they are checking, they are doing what you call window shopping, right? They are just checking and seeing if this is what they want. And that's one thing I like about online business. There is freedom of choice. That's the truth. There's freedom of choice. People get to choose what they want, right? So, since we cannot control the buyers, so what can we control? That's what matters. So the only thing we can control is our promotions, right? So if you are not promoting, you are not even giving yourself the chance to win. Now let's look at this an example. Let's say you want to win the lottery. Let's assume that you want to win the lottery. You are hoping to win it, right? Maybe it's around $50 million right now. You want to win it. There is no way you can even though the chances of winning is very, very low, but there is no way you even have a chance to win if you did not play. You get it, right? So if you did not play, you're not going to win at all. That one, you are zero. But when you play, then you have a chance. Now, the good thing with affiliate marketing, the chances are very high, right? So we have a chance of getting sales, but you have to play the promotions. So that's the truth. Now, how do you promote, right? Because I get a lot of people, they'll say, I don't know how to promote, I don't know how to promote. Now, the first thing you want to do is, before you even promote, is to get the product. Now, can you promote every type of product out there? Yes, no, right? Of course, you can promote anything you like. But you want to give yourself the chance of getting the sale. Okay? Now, so what are the best products to promote? One, like for me, I prefer digital products, right? Digital products to me are the best. They have low refund rates. They are instantly giving, once the product is bought, the person have instant access, So that is good for me. There's no shipping, all those problems that you have with physical products. So I like digital products. So it has to be a high quality product, right? It has to come from a very reputable company. And then it has to be easy to sell. When something is difficult to sell, you're going to work very hard to sell it. And one of the areas of selling, of making things easy to sell, is the price. Now, why do I say so? If the price is high, you have very few people that are going to even try, right? But if the price is low, then you have more people that are going to try it, right? Now, and not just the price. Even though we say front end price, because we have to actually use the right word. The right word is this: front end price. So, which is easy for people to come in. But then you want to make sure that product, company, system must also be able to give you an opportunity to earn high ticket commissions, because it's the high ticket that changes a lot of things, right? It's not the front end sale. Now, if you are part of my team, that means you are part of the OLSP Mega Link system. Now, the OLSP Mega Link system costs only $7 in front end sales, right? So, and you will be able to earn 100% commissions in front end sales. So that means that if you join the Megalink system right now, which is just $7, and then you start promoting and then you get a sale, you will earn 100% commission. That means with only one sale, you would have made your money back. But that is not all the Megalink is. The Megalink is a marketing system, a done-for-you marketing system. So all you have to do is to promote, generate traffic, and send to your link, okay? Now, the system takes over, and the system automatically follows up with your lead, and then sends out email on your behalf, follow up with webinars, training, all these other great things that a good system does. And then they close the sale for you. And by them closing the sale, you will now be able to earn back-end sale. Now, with the Megalink, you will be able to earn from over 7 different income streams, right? But that is not all. You also have the opportunity to earn high ticket commissions of up to $2,600 per sale. That is the kind of system you want to be promoting, because now you only work for the front end sale, but the system work for you to make you thousands of dollars in commission without you lifting up any more fingers, without you doing any other thing. That is why the Megalink, the OLSP $7 Megalink system is powerful. Now, if you want to join our team in the OLSP Megalink system, just go to the link description above, click that link and join, right? That's all. Just get started. Now, let's move on a little bit more. So we now know the type of product that you need to sell, right? A product that has a low-cost front-end sale so that you can bring in a lot of people and let the system do the selling for you, right? And give you those high-ticket sales. So that is it. Now, let's talk about the promotions and the traffic. Now, a lot of people always say they don't know how to promote. Now, there is nothing about promoting that you need to know. Let me put it this way. If you're already on Facebook and you're already posting pictures of yourself, videos, or even you are sharing videos of other people, right? Because I see a lot of people, that's what they do on their Facebook profile. Either they are sharing pictures of themselves, of their family, or they are sharing videos of their vacations. I see a lot of people sharing a lot of videos about their vacation, or they are sharing other people's videos. Like if they see a funny thing, they share it. So if you can do those simple things, then you know how to promote. Because that's all we do in promotion, right? All we do in promotion is we share our link or pictures of our business. So instead of you sharing only pictures of your family, friends, occasions, instead of you doing only that, then get some pictures or images from your business and post it also. So that's all. So when I see people say, I don't know how to promote, I just laugh because that is something you can easily do because you already know how to do it. And that's why I love Facebook a lot because Facebook allows you to do those things. And that's one of the ways I've made some good amount of money online. Now, when you are a member of the OLSP Mega Link system, within your platform, there are, what do you call the images, videos, reels that has already been done for you. All you need to do, download them and start sharing them on Facebook, on TikTok, on Instagram. So you can see that the OLSP system made it very easy for you to promote and make money. So you can see all is done for you. I told you that already, right? So your excuses don't matter a lot because it's already done for you. So that's it, guys. So if you are ready to start making some money and you are ready to start posting some free ad on social media and make money, very simple. Start with a program like the OLSP $7 Mega Link. It's just $7. So it's not a lot of money, right? So everybody can afford $7. So that means you can start learning how to make money today and you can start making money even today. So if you want to join our team, is very simple. Just go to the link description above or below, click that link, pay your $7, get your mega link, go through the training, start posting those free ads and start getting traffic to your link, and the system does the rest for you. All right. So guys, that is it. If you have any question, what you want to do, get across to me. Okay. Just, privately message me. We can still talk about it. So with that, I'm done for today. I will see you again. Take care. Bye.